jumpty jump jump jump. Jump jumpty jump jump jump. Jump jumpty jump jump jump. Jump jumpty jump. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Logical Dave, and it's me D1, and today we're making a fun craft video about weathers. You can make it by yourself in your home or grandma's house. So when we wake up in the morning, we always check the weather outside. If it is windy, cloudy, snowy or stormy. Today's video is going to be cool and you can do by yourself at home with your mommy. Your mommy will help you and you will help your mommy. So to make this cool DIY, we have some cutouts of clouds and some thunderstorm pieces, some glue, water droplets, some right strands of the paper, and Mr. Sun cutouts. That's two. Let's get started. So I glue some glue on these lines. Now I'm going to put the water droplets. And the first steps are cloud. Rain clouds. Rain, rain, droplet petals. Rain, rain, droplet petals. So the water droplets are ready, and when they dry, they look like this. Let's keep them aside, and now we will glue these to the first cloud, so we can form the rainy cloud. Look, when it's done, it looks like this. And look, the cloud is like, hey, my nose is falling out. So we're going to make a cloudy cloud. That sounds funny. So we have a Mr. Sun and a cloud. So we're going to glue Mr. Sun over here in the side. So half of it will stay inside and half of it will be peeking out. And our cloud is saying peekaboo, and when it's done it looks like this. And the cloud is saying, hey, I can see you. For the thunderstorm cloud, we need a cloud. You know that? Some thunderstorm, some droplets and some glue. So I glue some glue on, and now it's time to glue the details. So when it's done, it looks like this. Angry cloud, sunny cloud. We have sun, a toilet paper roll, and a teeny tiny bit of glue, and a cloud. So glue this over here and the sun over here and the gummits, the smiley face. The sunny one is done. So this is all about fun weather craft. You can learn weather with the help of these clouds. So easy and so much fun. It's so easy and fun. Yay, 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 yay. My most favorite one is this one. I love playing hide and seek. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I hope you like can make this in your home by yourselves. Do like and share. Bye.